Exercising while intermittent fasting. Evidence-based recommendations for optimal health and weight loss. Intermittent fasting has become an increasingly popular approach to weight loss and overall health. However, many people wonder whether they can exercise while intermittent fasting and what type of exercise is best. In this research-based video, we will explore the relationship between intermittent fasting and exercise, and provide evidence-based recommendations for incorporating physical activity into an intermittent fasting routine. First, it's important to understand the basics of intermittent fasting. This approach involves alternating periods of fasting with periods of eating. There are several different intermittent fasting schedules, such as the 16/8 method, the 5-2 diet, and alternate day fasting. These schedules can be customized to fit an individual's lifestyle and goals. When it comes to exercise, there are a few things to consider. During periods of fasting, the body relies on stored energy, i.e., fat, for fuel. This can make it more difficult to perform high-intensity exercise, which typically requires glycogen, stored carbohydrates, for energy. Therefore, it may be best to focus on low to moderate intensity exercise during periods of fasting. Walking, yoga, and low-intensity strength training are all good options for exercising while intermittent fasting. These activities can help to improve cardiovascular health, build muscle, and support weight loss goals. Additionally, these types of exercise can be done at any time of day, making it easier to fit them into an intermittent fasting schedule. It's important to listen to your body when it comes to exercise and fasting. Some people may feel fine exercising during periods of fasting, while others may experience fatigue or dizziness. It's always a good idea to start slowly and gradually increase exercise intensity and duration over time. It's also important to stay hydrated while exercising and fasting. Drinking water, herbal tea, or black coffee can help to keep you hydrated and curb hunger pangs. Additionally, it's important to break your fast with a nutritious meal that includes a balance of protein, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates. In conclusion, exercise can be incorporated into an intermittent fasting routine, but it's important to choose low to moderate intensity activities that support overall health and wellness. Walking, yoga, and strength training are all good options, and it's important to listen to your body and stay hydrated while fasting and exercising. By combining intermittent fasting with regular exercise, you can achieve your weight loss and overall health goals. Share your thoughts and spread the word by sharing and liking the video.